J&M Story Studio. Stories that stay with you forever.
Deep beneath the garden, life was peaceful. Diggy hummed as he dug. Diggy carved tunnels with confidence. And little Lumo followed quietly, learning every turn. One morning, it was just another normal day underground. The soil began to tremble. Tiny pebbles fell. The tunnels whispered with movement. The worms froze. Something had changed above them. Slowly, carefully, they peeped through a small opening. Light poured in. Too much light. And then they saw it. A chicken, holding a worm in its beak. Life could disappear in a peck. The chicken turned its head. Their eyes met. Time stopped and fear filled the soil. Diggy whispered, and in a flash they vanished into the tunnel. But the danger followed. Claws scraped the ground above. Shadows danced on the tunnel walls. The garden was no longer safe. The chicken pushed its head down. Its beak entered their world. The worms pressed themselves against the earth, barely breathing. They dug faster, deeper, not towards the light, but away from it. This didn't happen once. It happened every day. Every shadow above meant danger. Every sound meant hiding. Soon they stopped coming near the surface at all. The garden still existed, but they no longer lived in it.
We nag! We cannot live like this forever!
Diggy finally said, "We don't need a surface. We need a safer path, a smarter way, a new world beneath the old one." Instead of going up, they dug sideways, together and careful, building tunnels the chickens could never reach. The garden had changed, so they changed too. And deep underground, the worms found peace again. Moral of the story: when the world changes, survival isn't about strength alone. It's about adaptation, teamwork, and wisdom.